Hello guys. So the new members that coming in this pocket option in this platform, please you have here demo platform. So every strategy, every idea that you have, you can make here experiment training. Yeah, it's like a training demo. After this you will start for the real account. Okay, so for example, I have strategy like 5 seconds with martingale strategy. Yalla, let's go. Let's see how it's work. So here you can analyze for everything, you can understand how it's working. This demo account is the same graphic that in the real one. Okay, so here you just for your experiments, if you are not sure that one of your strategy is working or not working, just use this demo account. It's easy, so it's perfect for the beginning, for the people who just come in the training to make some deals. So if you have for some question about how to register, let me know in the comments. I will help everyone. After this, when you make this training, you understand how it works, you can start real account. Okay, let's make just one deal. Okay, have a good day.